Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a 1-minute sugar-free vegan ice cream. So let's move on to recipe now. Okay, so you can see over here, these are bananas. What we've done over here is that we've got 2 bananas and we've cut them into these small slices, small pieces, and then we've put them into this plastic bag, and then we've put this into a freezer overnight. These are now frozen bananas from yesterday. So here I have a blender, and I'm going to put these 2 frozen bananas into the blender. I'll just add that in. So very cold, as you can imagine. Okay, that's that, and then one more. So these are 2 bananas, 2 frozen bananas that were sliced, and they've gone into the blender. So here I have cocoa powder, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of this into the blender. So that's 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now I'm going to close this and then blend it, and it would become equivalent of an ice cream. So keep turning it on, switching it off, just make sure that it kind of moves about so that, it's blended well. Okay, so after blending it, you can look inside and it looks like an ice cream, which is marvelous. Now I'm just going to use a spoon over here to just give it a mix. So by mixing it, any bananas that may be in the bottom, I'm just going to try bringing that to the top. So give it a mix. Some bananas right at the bottom. So just mix it once. The reason why we're doing this is because there might be some bananas that haven't been blended completely. So I'm just going to move that around, bring it to the top, and then we'll be ready to blend once more, just to make sure it's done properly. Okay, so let's give it another blend. Okay, you saw how to make this wonderful sugar-free vegan ice cream. Let me give it a tasting. Oh, it looks wonderful. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Wow! That's like a roller coaster. That is just exhilarating. You guys must try this out. It's unbelievable that you can actually prepare ice cream just in 1 minute. It's really chocolatey. It's also suitable for vegans and diabetics as well. So we highly recommend it that you give it a try. So with that said, see you in the next one.